राष्ट्रीय सलोच सलोच
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
Our country is a land of sages, long known for its fearlessness. No one can compete with it or even match its culture. It's a land of lofty mountains with rivers and long lush green woodlands. They are beautiful as well as prosperous, and its history too. On this Independence Day, we celebrate the years passed by. We commemorate this day every year for our flag that is tricolor has endured in all its grandeur. Let us strive for it and be vigilant for its safety. Let us rejoice with all enthusiasm and sincerity. At the dawn of history, India started on an unending quest and trackless centuries filled with striving and the grandeur of success and failure. This has motivated our St. Marians to perform a dance reminding us of India's greatness. And as we know, dancing is surely the most basic and most relevant of all forms of expression. It is like creating a sculpture that is visible for just one moment. So let's not waste one such moment and move ahead to witness the swift moving dancers of the young dancing troupe.
And I have conquered the day and time that alliance has lost to my providence. The terror of the present time invaded our lives in the most mysterious ways and have baffled the scientists too. Let's look into its genesis. Like the roots and sticks, men and women were born, those and life, and from sin that is left in the shadows. The stars moving out, slowly and steadily spread into our lives, and then starting there, one by one, with present touch and with present word. Say no to nonsense and hello to the namaste. Across the habits, adversity is opportunity in itself. The ultimate pleasure of man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at the time of challenges and controversy. Oh, dudes, recommendations. Yes. In the Satan, self-advice to solve the pandemic. Squeeze your elbow. Blow your nose in a disposable tissue. Wash your hands carefully. Keep distance. Even with dear ones. In our family, going out is prohibited. Oh, how harsh it is to be separated from loved ones, but I know that soon my heart will bust with joy as we get reunited with love.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों से बहाने भूल गए जब देश ने दिया आवाज हमें हम घर की यादें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं थे रातों से अचानक सोचा मुझे नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब
कैसे बताते हम डॉक्टर से रोज मौत से हाथ मिला करते
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा फूल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से पीड़ित रहते हो अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं और ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं डॉक्टर हम उनका परिवार हम ही उनकी हिम्मत और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद
Strong ancestors, he will never give up, but will fight and rise once again, and the phoenix grows from its old ashes.
मैं हिंदुस्तान की मिट्टी एक मेरी रक्षा के लिए सरहद पर जान लगाता है एक मेरे देशवासियों के लिए दिन रात फसल लगाता है एक किसान और एक जवान एक धर्म का कर्ज तो दूसरा अपने धर्म का कर्ज लगाता है मेरी लाज करने वाले इन दोनों बेटों को इस धरती माँ और मेरा यानी कि इस मिट्टी का कुआं ये है, मुझे मिलकर फिर ये मेरी गोद भर देती है।
That indeed took us away from the real world. What a splendid performance! We ended a period of ill fortune and then we discovered ourselves again. The achievement we celebrate today is none but a step opening towards the 75th year of independence. Amur Toket Fume Nesont, which means that now it's time to draw the strings of our heart and add the soothing voice of patriotism to cherish our souls. Let's get some vibes of a captivating performance. atmosphere is now filled with bubbles of patriotism, thanks to these melodious singers. Now, it's my honor to invite the chief guest of the day, Reverend Father Lawrence, to share his message on this auspicious day.
Honorable Principal Sister Karuna SABS, respected Vice Principal Sister Elsama SABS, Sister Little Therese SABS, all the sisters, committed members of the staff, enthusiastic students, benefactors, parents, and well-wishers, countrymen. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. It is the result of a great heroic life lived and offered, given to us, people like, great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jhansi Rani, great people. They have given us a wonderful gift. We have to make right choices. By that, we become a free person. Good decisions bring us great joy, well-being, welfare for the nation. When I visited Jallianwala Bagh and Jhansi, that I recalled the great heroic life people given to us. As we are confidently unfolding the tricolor flag of our national flag because of the result of great people they have given to us. Let us be committed, caring one another and loving one another. United we stand, divided we fall. Let us unite together for the well-being. Let us care one another. Let us dispel the darkness by giving quality education. I wish you all the best and happy Independence Day. Vande Mataram. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Thank you so much, sir. Your message really motivated us, and we'll definitely try to implement what you said in our lives. Independence of India was the language of getting everyone together against the harmful. Similarly stands dance, which is the language of soul and fitness, the voice of the body. Once a dancer, always a dancer. The job of feet is walking, but their hobby is to dance. And as we know, dancers don't need wings to fly. Here enters our next dance group, our dear teachers, to quench our thirst for pride and fidelity to our motherhood. Their charismatic performance spread an aura of pride. What a breathtaking performance! India's independence was the freedom from the clutches of the Britishers, who had harmed India on all terms. Similarly stands dance, which allow us to express our emotions, freedom from the clutches of our own heart. When we dance joy. When we dance love. When we dance freedom. To watch someone dance is to hear our heart speak. So here enters our next dance group to inject the spirit of patriotism among all of us.
हम झुककर सलाम करें उन्हें जिनके हिस्से में ये मुकाम आता है। किस कदर खुशनसीब है वो लोग, खून जिनका वतन के काम आता है।
कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के गिरते हैं अब बढ़ेंगे आगे बढ़ते हैं अब बढ़ने साथी है बस इतना ही कहना अब जो भी हो सोना बन के पत्थर है देखना अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना
Their charismatic performance spread an aura of pride. What a breathtaking performance! I would like to invite our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Karuna, for a few words on this extravaganza.
Fellow citizens and citizens of tomorrow, accept my greetings of Independence Day. Today, as we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day, this is the day of remembrance and dedication. This is the celebration of solemnity, moments unravel, decades and centuries of great sacrifice. We look in with an extreme gratitude and a great pride. Men and women of rarest courage drove us towards the freedom. Now it is our time to take it as a responsibility. Mahatma's thoughts are sparkling, relevant beyond the bounds of time frame. The roots of violence is the wealth without work, pleasure without conscience, knowledge without character, commerce without morality, science without humanity, worship without sacrifice, politics without principles, must be cleansed for making a progressive, productive society. Freedom, democracy and socialism are not self-originated, but generated through countless struggles by our freedom fighters for the freedom of our motherland. The stalk of the midnight hour, when the world slept, India awakened to life and freedom years back. The moments come rarely in the history of the world. India discovered herself not through attacks, but through the greatest constructive vibes of Mahatma, that is the real non-violence. Its genuine patriotic vibes, screams Vande Mataram made huge waves across the nations. The struggles were not to protect their interests of any religious, not for a river, not for a person or a group or category. They could easily settle everything for the personal benefits, a legacy of nations of remarkable patriotism. Freedom has broader concept, not fit and infinite. Farmers grew food for us, upholding our freedom. Soldiers are at threat lines, battling terrorism to confirm our civic freedom. Salute them with true political activism. What we need to do, educate the illiterate of uneducated. Empower the poorest of the poor. Empower the downtrodden. What can I do to bring India into the world rank? Indian civilization is an open window, not a closed door. Aware, representation of colors of courage, devotion, purity, prosperity, along with the loyal Ashoka chakra imprinted in the center of the tricolor. The biggest religion of the globe must be humanity. Let's be proud of being an Indian, a country with a large democracy, divinity of culture, language, religious practices. Let's enjoy the unity and diversity. Outcome of education is not a degree. Be consistent with commitment to help and to improve traditions, culture, nature, etc. Let's hold on light, love, peace, and be proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now, I would like to request each and everyone to stand in attention for the national anthem.